Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Lord Ganesha is the Lord of knowledge and wisdom. Lord Ganesha is believed to be both Jnana Shakti and Karma Shakti. Lord Ganesha removes all the obstacles in our path, and thus before we start any puja, we first pray Lord Ganesha to remove any negativity in our doing. There are around 32 forms of Lord Ganesha. Some of them are Bala Ganapati, Taruna Ganapati, Bhakti Ganapati, Veera Ganapati, Dvija Ganapati, and so on. Ganesh Purana describes 32 forms. Each form has special powers and features. Let us see about Balaganapati. Balaganapati is the first of all the 32 forms of Ganapati. As the name itself says, Bala means child. He is the child form of Ganesha. The idol is elephant faced with 4 hands holding the fruits like mango, jackfruit, banana, and sugarcane. His favorite sweet is Modaka. He resembles a young kid. He holds a modaka in his trunk. Worshipping Balaganesha promotes good health. It is good for children to worship him to gain good manners. There are many temples in South India. Balaganesha Moola Mantra is Om Gam Ganapataye Namastityaya Swaha Karasta Kadari Suda Bana Seshapka Modakam Bala Surya Nibam Vande Devam Bala Ganadipam. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.